Taking a look at our schematic, we need to attach the top rear rail to both of the sides. Now the issue is we have end grain that we are trying to connect to our plywood sides. Because end grain doesn't glue, we need to add some mechanical fasteners. We could put some fasteners in from the outside of the project, but then we would have to figure out how to cover up the holes from those fasteners. So instead, we will be adding a couple pocket hole screws from the back side. And our objective is to space out the pocket hole screws so we have a good connection point along the width of this piece. And with our piece squared up to the finished size and our pocket holes cut, we are ready for installation.